Hello everybody, it's Sanna here today. I recently received a package from Studio Tekturek, which is a Polish company, and I was lucky to make their design team for this fall until end of January 2021, and I am going to show you what was in my parcel. And the first collection that I'm going to be going through with you is their very new one, and it's called Strawberry Shake, and this is the summer collection. And due to COVID-19 and all kinds of problems connected to that, the shipping took a little bit longer than expected, the printing took a little bit longer, but finally the collection has arrived and I'm able to share it with you. And let's start with the papers. First, let me tell you where you can find the company, because it's so nicely put down on this card. So the company is called Studio Tekturek, and here you have their web address at the card, and they have an Instagram account, they are represented on Facebook, and they have a website, so you can also look up them at their own website. And okay, let's start with the papers. So I'm going to be showing each side of the papers. These are really happy, colorful papers, and the first one is the paper number 3 that happens to be on the top of the pile here, and you can see both the back and the front here next to each other. So the one side has these polka dots on a green background, and the other side has these cute hearts in pastelic pink tones and orange tones. Looks like this. Really like the color combinations, also the color selection on this collection, and the happy bright shades she loves to use when she's designing. They had been on a break for a longer time. I suppose it was because she became a mom and she had more important things to do during her absence from the scrappy world, and now she's back with this beautiful collection. And the second paper, sorry, this is the paper number 1, and this one has a beautiful sky background in blue and white tones, really nice. And then this one is the back side, and I really like this pattern and the colors. She is really good on using strong, happy, bold colors when she's designing. And then there are these journaling cards or project life cards, whatever you want to use this for. It says, "Hello, what's going on?" Say it with summer smile, sun and fun, vacay mood, really cute pineapple there. And the back side of this paper looks like this. Also very pretty. And then the next one is something really cool, and this pattern is really crazy, but I really like the colors. And on the other side you have this mouth pattern, this, I don't know how to call that one, kisses I think, but I really like this one. And then some leaves, but in summer tones. You could use this for fall too, but I think it's more thought for a more summer theme because of the color combination. And on the other side you have this beautiful striped white and lemon colors, really cool. And the next paper is again the leaf pattern, but this time with strawberries in there, strawberry hearts actually. And this is totally in pink tones. And then some more gorgeous journaling cards. Love that one with the stars in the background, that is so pretty. And these were the papers, so you have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 papers, double-sided papers in this collection. And then you have the stickers, which are pink with really tiny polka dots. I'll put it closer to the camera so you can see. And this is a sticker sheet with thin alphas, and then you have different types of alphas to combine. These are orange ones with a little bit darker polka dot pattern in there. I hope you can see that in the video. And the next ones are light pink, then there's this darker pink tone and a beautiful yellow. I'm a fan of yellow, so I really like these. Then you get, with this collection, you have label stickers for journaling, different tones from the collection. Then you have pink and some phrases. Okay, let's put this closer so you can see what it says there. Really, really cool stickers here. I love to use phrase stickers on scrapbooking, so really looking forward to using these. And beautiful colors, all taken from the paper tones. And everything is really well matching together. So these are 3 sticker sheets with phrases on them, and then there's one more sheet with tape. So this is kind of washi tape kind of paper. Is much thinner than the stickers, and it's matte on the, when you touch it, it's not glossy at all. So it kind of feels like washi tape, but it obviously isn't. But it's much thinner than the regular stickers, and that comes in the collection too. So this is the newest one, the Strawberry Shake collection for this summer, and I'm really looking forward to creating with this one. And I hope you enjoyed going through it with me on this video, and maybe trying it out yourself too. Let me put these out once more so you can see what they look like. So that's the patterns and the colors. Gorgeous, aren't they? So pretty. Plus all the stickers that you get, and then just, you know, adding things and bits and pieces. And I've also got a lot of older collections, which, as long as there is something available, will be also available at the store on her website, so you can still order some older ones, and I will be sharing them on my second video, so you can see this collection works really well with the older ones too, so you can combine everything together. So that is the Studio Tekturek Summer 2020 Strawberry Shake collection. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.